Hello guys, today I get a new modem. I just upgrade my modem XB6 to XB7. That's the latest one as Rogers right now. So that's Ignite XB7, and let's open this one and see what I can get and what look like is. So that's instructions over there. Look like that's a guidebook. Let's see what that is. That's the guidebook, and that's instruction how to set up your modem. Not clear, but it's saying Ignite Wi-Fi promise, and there's instruction how to set up, and that is for like how you can return your old modem, right? Not clear, but yeah, that's on their mark how to return your old device. And that's a modem. Look, that's nice actually, not that heavy. The bottom is, there's a rubber down there, so it's nice actually. And the top is just a bent, so no heat up. And there's a back, there is a 4-port for Ethernet cable, yes. So the old one was, that's 2 for the phone actually, and that's a coax cable, and that's a power, that's a WPS. The picture is not clear. Let me see if I can adjust that one. Yeah, it's better. So yeah, that's a 4-port. That's nice. It's a 4-port for Ethernet, the down one. They mark in the yellow circle. The yellow, you can see the line over there. So that's a 4 ports for the Ethernet, and the top one is for phones. So that's a coax cable, that's a power, that's a WPS switch. And yeah, that's look nice. Let's see what else. And empty. That's the Ethernet cable, that's for to plug in any hard connection. That is the power for the modem. That's coax cable to plug into wall to your modem, and that's the termination plugs if you want to plug any splitter or something. So yeah, that's just for to termination, nothing else. That's good. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna put the video how to set up that modem.